programs during the first 3 years of Arroyo administration. Food, security, and environmental protection. The national budget allocation for agriculture was increased. The segregation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste materials in every household was encouraged to make garbage disposal for more efficient and to prevent spread of germs and bacteria that cause disease. If I were the president, I would do my best to clean the water, the air, and the land.
If I were the president, I would be strict about smoking in public to prevent air pollution. Look around us, it's clean. The air is so refreshing. Because of this, we can live happily inside this planet. We don't want this to be destroyed, aren't we? If you want to stay like this in the future, you should clean.
If I were the president, I would imply laws to clean this planet of ours. And yeah, even though it is small, even though it's not ours, we should dispose it, pick it up and dispose it properly to its proper place.
If I were given a chance to be the president, I will implement a law that can make our environment green. Just like this. We will preserve this until the end of the world. If anyone who will be caught throwing trashes anywhere, we will be paying a fine of a certain amount. Save Mother Earth.